Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my other videos in the future. I post one or more videos every single day all about the Happy Planner. I do tips, tricks, haul videos, plan with me's, all different things. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and then let me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber so that I can thank you and get to know you and talk with you and all the things. So I am going to put on some music in just a second, but wanted to share that this is one of the newer seasonal sticker books, and it is so much fun, but it is seasonal fall, and there is a ton of gorgeous colors in this book, like oranges and more like a mustard yellow and greens and reds, and with those colors I chose two of the really gorgeous colors of like the brownish reds and then the mustard, and I used both of those washies to layer up at the top. And then I went to town. I put a lot of leaves in the border of like where the pages are punched, and I put some quote stickers and some boxes, just lots of quotes, made it super, super decorative, but also I have all the boxes that I need for all the different events and appointments and everything going on this week. So I'm going to put on some music for a change of pace while watching the video. Enjoy and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And thanks so much for watching.